Step into the 2018 Ram 2500. This four-door, six-passenger truck leads among competitors in its segment. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a refined six-cylinder engine. A turbocharger is also included as an economical means of increasing performance. Top features include cruise control, a rear step bumper, an automatic dimming rear view mirror, an outside temperature display, fully automatic headlights, and remote keyless entry. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 6 well-positioned speakers. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front and side impact airbags, traction control, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Brake Assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. Our team is professional and we offer a no-pressure environment. Stop in and take a test drive.